here?
Yes, ma'am.
Enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Then now it is time to read, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Learning everything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will start the class, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You all know the date and day, right?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
date is 3rd January 2022 and it is Monday today. Yes. So you have the third period English, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please take out your English workbook because we completed the textbook, right, children? Have you all done your homework, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please then send the homeworks regularly, children. Okay? Yes. Then we will move on to the class. So please take out your English workbook. We will start with the module 11. Okay, please take out module 11. Yes, page number 54. Take out page number 54. Yes. Here in this module 11 we will learn the word education, then alphabetical order, conjunctions, then summary writing and fairy tale writing we will learn in this module 11. Okay. So first we have dictation, that is exercise 1, word dictation. I will tell the words, write down. First one is starter. Write down starter. Please don't spell it. Is starter.
Finish, ma'am.
STARTED, started. Second one is propeller. Write down. After propeller, ready. Next is brush. Brush. Aeroplane. Then motor. Motor. Above. Dip. Swoop. Swoop. Skies. Ninth one is skies. Completed?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, please complete fastly, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next we have vocabulary. In vocabulary we will learn alphabetical order. You know alphabetical order, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing but we are arranging the letters in alphabetical order. That is A to Z. Okay, that is called. After A, what comes? You know very well. After A, B only. After B, C. After C, D. Like that. That is the order. It is in the order. 1, 2, 3 also it is in order, right? Same way only the alphabets also are in same order. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to arrange that words in the alphabetical order. Understand? We arrange the words in alphabetical order according to the first letter of the each word. Okay. First letter of the each word. Okay. Example see here. Example cake, egg, smoke. Now tell me which will come faster. A, B, C. So first which word will come? Yes, children. Next first we will start with the C because A, B, after B, C only, right? So first C. You have to see the first letter, children. First letter. Okay. After C, B. After C, D. Sorry, children. D. After D, E. Here we have E, right? First letter is E, right? So this comes the second. This comes the first. Okay. Now last remaining will be the third one. So no need to say. You already know. After E only F G. E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S. So S. Other words are not there. So you can make it as a third one. Okay, like that. So you have to see the first letter. Example I am telling. If you have the two words with the same letter which is starting from first. Example like cake, cup. Okay. So first letter is C only, right? Then second letter, you have to go to the second letter because first letter is same. Right? If first letter is same, then you have to go to the second letter. See the second letter. A, U. Which comes first?
A.
A only. So this will be the first, this will be the second. Are you getting, children?
Yes, ma'am.
If I am telling same, if you have even second letter also same means, then what you do? Third letter you have to check. Okay. First and second letter, if it is same for the two words also, you have to check it for the third letter. Understand? The same way, if third letter also is the same, you will move on to the fourth letter. Are you understanding, children? Yes. In the same way, you have to make it in an alphabetical order. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Hope you are understanding. Right? If you are not understanding, please any doubt, please ask now itself, children. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Are you clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next we have C comes after before E. Correct, no? C comes before E. So E comes before yes. So we write cake first, followed by the egg, and then only smoke. Understanding? I already explained on the board. Yes, now exercise 2.1. Arrange the words in alphabetical order. One is done for you. Coconut, excitement, knocked, patched. Patch, okay. So second one we have basket, greedy, helmet, dragger. Which is the first one?
Basket.
Huh? Yes, very good. Basket. First one is basket. Write down basket.
Ma'am, will you come in?
Okay, you will do this as homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Then you can write it as homework. Okay, exercise 2.1 homework, children. Turn next page. Dictionary guide words. Okay, the words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, the words on the top of the dictionary page are called guide words. Okay, the top left corner of the page lists the first word on the page. Okay, the top right corner lists the last word on the page. Okay, last word it will show. Okay, a page has only those words that can be in alphabetical order only. Alphabetically it is been arranged. Understood? So between the given guide words there will be an alphabetical arrangement. Guide words help us to find a word easily. Guide words. See example you think this is a what? Dictionary. It's already given the words here. See, can you see? H. What is the H? H. First letter, second letter. Everything they will give. After that only they are move on to the second letter. Are you understanding? In the same way only, even hamster also. See here, H-A-M, here I. You see the third letter also. See H-A. H-A for everything. H-A-I-R. Also it's the same. Then next you can see C-U-T cut is there. So they have given it in the third line because air, hair is same only. Correct now? So there is second line they have given A cut. Then they have given A-D. Understood, children? Like that. You have to see that if it is same word, 4 or 5 letters are same also, you should see the next last letter. Understand? Then you can write it in alphabetical order. Understanding? Now, what you have to do, exercise, look at the guide words given on the dictionary page. Based on the guide words, write whether the words given below will appear on this page. Put a tick for yes, okay, and put wrong for the no. One already done. See, one already done. Hand, H-A-N-D. It will come in this. It will come, children. It does come this word in this dictionary. In this page, it will come, right? Yes, because H-A is there. So it comes. That's why they have given the tick mark. Second one is H-A-B-I-T, habit. It will come in this? No. So put wrong. Then third one, H-A-R-D. Wrong. No, it won't come. Wrong. Then H-A-L-F, half. Right, yes. Then H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer.
Right.
Okay. Horse, H-O-R-S-E. Wrong. Yes, correct. Now you understood, right? Yes. Then turn next page. Next we have grammar conjunction. Before going to the grammar conjunction, children, I will show you the dictionary. Okay, I will show you the dictionary and how to follow the dictionary and search the meaning also I will show you. Okay, please give me a moment. Yes, children. See here, the dictionary I have brought. So this is the Oxford Dictionary. AC Pocket Oxford Dictionary. Okay, this is the South Asia edition. Okay, this is the edition is done by the South Asia. Now open. It is a world famous Oxford Dictionary. You know very well, right? See, I will show you the first page. Here, see the first page. If you open, see it will be like this. Then turn. Open the page. 1 second, children. See, we will have the full details of that Oxford Dictionary here. You have to go through it. After that, you have contents. See, can you see the contents are here? Contents. Contents means what all you will have in this book about that they have been given. So first is a short history of Oxford dictionaries, then guide to the uses of dictionaries, then note on trademarks and proprietary status also will be there. Okay, they have given the yes, Roman numbers also over here. You can check it out. Okay, now about a short history of the Oxford dictionaries also. How this dictionary has been found, what who found, everything will be detailed in this. So you can read in this dictionary. Okay, then how to use the dictionary? Instructions they are given entries here. Okay, so first letter A, B, we can count, we can search from the A. So always the listen children. So always the alphabet start from A, right? So A, big and small letters also we will get here. Okay. So A means let it be a big or small. All the meanings you will get in the A. Understand children? See example A. All they have given. See A first A level, A2 level. Then what is that meaning of that A2 level? Then hardware and what is that meaning? Also they have given. So you have to check. After A, you can see the second letter here. Okay, second letter B. So listen. After A, the second letter you have to check. But because A is we can find everything A here. But we have to search for the which you need now. Which letter, which word you need, you have to search. A means B. Example, you will search for the egg, EGG, egg. So you have to turn to the E. There is E. You have to search in your dictionary. Okay. So you go to the E here. See, you will get E here. Then you will search for the second letter. What is the second letter we have here? G. So we will check with the G. Where it is G. Okay, you have to search in a clear way. Okay. Yes. Then you will see the first content here. You will get whether E, D, E, F like that. You have to search from the up. Okay. So you will get C, E, G, G, egg. See, I have found. See, it is here. Okay. See, I have found children. I will show you. See. I have found here E, G, G, egg. Okay. Yes. Hope you can see. Yes, children, please move. Yes, see here, EGG, egg. The meaning they have given, what they have given is, argue something to do some foolish or risky origin old. Okay, see like that they have given the meaning also. Now you got how to search in your dictionary, right children? Have you understood? In such a way you have to find it in the dictionary and you have to note it down the meaning also. So you can search whatever meanings you need, every meanings you will get in this. Okay, from your book, if you are not understanding any meaning, you can search with the dictionary. Okay, with the dictionary you will get all the meanings, whatever you need, every meaning it will be in this book. Okay, so easily you can understand what is the meaning of that. Understood children? Yes, now you understood how to see the dictionary? Yes? Yes, then next we have conjunction. Yes, children, next we have conjunctions. See, if you open page number 57, conjunctions means children, what is the conjunction? Conjunctions means the two words or two letters we will join, right? There we will add conjunction. There only we will use conjunction there. Example, join the sentence with the correct conjunction and, but, or, so. Use the ends in the bracket to help you. Okay, see here, I tried my best. I could not catch the bus. Opposite idea. You have to take an opposite idea. I tried my best. Then what you will use to join that word? In between, what you will use? And, but, so. Tell me which you will use. And, but, or, so.
And. But.
I tried my best.
But.
Very good. But I could not catch the bus. It is the opposite. But I could not catch the bus. Now it becomes an opposite, correct? Opposite sentence it becomes. Here they have given the positive sentence. The correct sentence. But you have to change it into the opposite sentence. So how you will, what you will use? But you can use. See, because if you use but only, but I could not catch the bus. Means I didn't catch the bus. I tried, but I didn't get. Okay, like that. So this also will be the homework, children. Please mark it as homework. Then second one, Moise played sports. Moise was fit. You have to show the result in that. See, in bracket they are given result. You have to show the result. Moisia played sports. So what you will use there? Tell me what you will use, children. Okay, you will do it and come this. Okay, this is your homework. Okay. Next, in the next class, I will teach you the 3 types of conjunctions also in the next class. Okay, detailing we will go with the conjunction in the next class. Please try to do this page number 57 as homework and exercise 2.1. That is also homework. These 2 is your homework. You have to complete it and send it in the book for correction. Okay. So try to do this conjunction grammar homework, children. If you are not able to do, next class detail I will explain. Okay, but try. Okay. Yes. Then we will end up the class here. We will meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye.